Welcome you guys another video. Today I'm going to do the V brace. Now I've noticed that my car have already the V brace, so I thought I just do it. Now there's a couple methods you could do it. If you don't have the V brace already installed in your car, you could buy it, or you could really like build it by yourself if you want to. It's pretty easy process. So since I have it in my car, I'm just gonna do the easiest way. Now you could wrap it, you can paint it, you could do whatever you want. I'm gonna go ahead and do the easiest way, which is just put like a tape on it. I like the red, so I'm gonna put like a red tape on it. And
you're like a gentle hug on a hard day.
Now the first thing you want to do is to take out your kidney grill. So this is exactly what I'm talking about. This is the V brace. It goes up and it goes down next to the radiator and into the cooler down below. So that's what I'm gonna put the tape on, and it's gonna stand out, especially with the black kidney grill, since I have a black kidney grill. Now this is what I bought. It's just a duct tape, red duct tape from a dollar store, and scissor. That's all what we're gonna need.
And in that moment, I find my sense of peace. Feels like home to me. Yeah. Feels like home. Right next to you is where I belong. Safe and warm, wrapped up in your arms.
So this is how it looks like after applying the tape. Now I didn't do like a really great job right there, but still okay. Now it's full V braced, and now that's how it looks like with one kidney grills. Looks pretty cool. I mean, I really like it. It looks sick. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the second one, and now with both kidney grills right there. See, like now it's really better. This is what you really see in real life. So what you're seeing right now is really what you're seeing in real life, but in real life still better, still more appealing. But I mean, I like them, I love them, dude. They look really sick. Alright guys, thank you for watching another video of my E60. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Bye, peace out.